chrome door handles on the hard body. Let's get it.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Welcome back, everybody, to CCN Garage. Today we got some fresh chrome handles. Let's go for the hard body. Also got a mic. Let's go. Hopefully it sounds good. But now I can go wherever, and I don't have to worry about the audio sucking booty cheeks. So that's pretty hype. Yeah, let's get to it. Here's the old crusty, dusty handle. It's just been paint matched. As you can tell, the paint's chipping. It don't look hype, bro. So it's time to switch it up. Now, to access the door handle, we gotta rip this entire door card off. So that's gonna be fun. You got 2 Phillips right there. 4 screws that hold in the speaker. You know, the fun manual door handle where you gotta get that little clip out. And then this outer piece comes off. And then it's just a bunch of clips behind the door. Fucking airplane. Damn. I can thank Calvin's dad for that one. He engineered a runway that goes right over my house. Alright. So we're gonna need a little pry tool, a little pick tool. I'm gonna use a drill because I'm lazy and I don't feel like hand cranking on a screwdriver. And I'm pretty sure it's a 10 mil, but I might be wrong. It might be 8. Stay tuned. Oh, god damn it, it started raining. So we're gonna have to be quick about this. Where are ya? 1, 2, bam, door handle. Take your pry tool. I don't remember. Let's rip it off by hand. Oh! There we go. Now for the speaker. Bam! Pop this out. Disconnect the wires. Let's try and fish in here and grab this little. It's a little itsy bitsy clip. Nice. And that's all you have to worry about. There. There's the door card. Now we have to get in there and get those 2 nuts off of the studs so that we can put them on this one. Oh, I didn't grab my ratchet. Pop this one off. One on the inside. I need to go inside the door. Inside the door. There we go. There we go. Oh no, it's spitting on the other side. That's why. Oh, we got it. So there is a chance that your stud will fall out. Sucks, but just hold on to it. Ooh, that's rusty under there. Should I sand that down and fix it? Probably. Am I going to? Probably not. So in there, right there, there's a door handle. There's a little blue tab like this that you have to squish together and then pull the like metal rod out. So let me do that real quick. Bam, just like that. Old custom one. Deleted. I'm gonna show you how to do some quick rust repair. Little wire wheel here. Good enough. Now we gotta blow it off. Good enough. Now, quick wipe with isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. There we go. Good enough. Let that dry. Hit it with one more. Little tack. Perfect. Now let's hit it with some paint. Oh, that really doesn't match. I really hope it doesn't match because it's wet. Well, I've hit it with 3 coats. You can tell that it's been painted there, but it has dried and it matches better. So you know what, we're calling that a day. So now to put the new uh-oh. Well, it appears I've locked myself out. But that one's locked. Okay, I do have the keys. Let's see what we can do. All right, got the door open. It's a little awkward, but we're good to go. Let's throw this freshy chrome one on and try not to get covered in fresh, they painted paint. Perfect. Ooh. Grab this, get that started. Now, to reattach this hook. It's gonna be fun because I can't really see what I'm doing. This is a two-handed job with room for one hand. And you have to do it blindfolded. Oh, sounded promising. There she goes. There, we got her. God damn, getting all dirty. Now, in theory, nice. Closes, opens, and we're good to go. Now we'll just hit these with a little snug in, and then have to put the door back together, and then we're done. Door card. Tuck this back up. Good enough. It's the most satisfying part. Just kind of whack it till they all go back into place. Ooh, that one missed. Where's the hole? There we go. Good. Slap this back on. Oh. Like that. Bam. Oh, throw the speaker back in. Where'd the wires go? Oh, found them. These are held in with self-tappers for some reason on my truck. That was thanks to the previous owner. I did not put these speakers in. But you know what? They still work, so whatever. Now, door handle. Alright. Oop, missed it. There we go. Good enough. Now for this, you're gonna want to put this little clip back on your handle before you put it on the door. There we go, just like so. Put this little plastic washer, whatever, just like that. Kind of line it up similar to the other side. push it in, bam. There you go. And that's installed. Now we got chrome handles, baby. Let's go. And I've already done the other side, so I'll show you guys that. Bam. Nice and matching. Love that. Perfect. Quick and dirty, quick and easy. Door handle install. Nice and chromed up, as it should be. So, as always, like and subscribe, and continue watching for more.